done this, please say hi. Please let us know if you've done it. Can't do it.
Woo! Yes! Yes! She's awesome too. She's saying she's not there.
I'm not going to be able to walk tomorrow. I can tell you that. So it's called aerial yoga is what it's called.
Yes.
Aerial yoga.
Aerial yoga. And it's so good because it's decompression of the joints in the spine. Just think everything we're doing is compressing those joints.
I came here because she went live, and y'all know that I have a health and wellness group, The Best You. It's a private group, and we are currently, my private group is in their 4th week. About every 8 to 10 weeks, we open it back up for new people. And something that we are trying to incorporate is movement, not just about changing your diet. She's my master speaker tonight, and she owns the studio, and I've never done this, and I've always wanted to do it. She's been in the fitness industry for 40 years, and this woman is 62. 62. So we did it this morning for my first time, not for sissies, not for titty babies, kicked my butt. It was so hard. So you guys, I'm sorry the lights are so weird, but we have to have them on super bright so that you can see. Otherwise it's got some wonky light. You know, we got the fluorescent warehouse lighting going on. So this is not painting. However, it is very colorful. You know, I like the colors of those silks. So super colorful, not painting related, but y'all know that I have morphed my painting world into self-care as well. So I think they go hand in hand with each other. I think that there are a lot of painters, furniture painters especially, which is most of what where my following comes from, that are, you know, very immersed in their craft and very immersed in their garage and very immersed in the sales and very immersed in the social media, and they do not spend enough time taking care of themselves until it's too late. And not too late, it's never too late, but until it's, you know, you end up sick. And so I've really spent, you know, the last almost 2 years trying to spread the word that we need to take better care of ourselves.
And lean towards me and fall out. Leg goes up and through, and you're back down where you started.
Woo! Yay!
Yay!
So really, in my group, it was not about telling my people in my group that they need to go find an aerial yoga and start hanging from silks, because that is not even practical. But you can, definitely, but most people are not going to do that. The point for tonight in my group was about pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. So everybody's comfort zone is different. Everyone's, well, she calls it living on the edge, and everybody has a different edge. So whatever your box is, whatever box you're in, you know, just try to step out of it a little bit. Just find something a little bit different to do. And this is definitely different for me. It's right on par with where I wanted to do something. You know, I'm tired of running. I'm tired of jogging. I just am not ready for that. Do the feet up thing. I really like that. But I've been wanting to come do this with her for a long time. So it was really perfect timing.
Yeah, that's perfect timing.
Yeah.
And when you get to see your friend from 19... It's so much fun, you guys.
I never felt sick or dizzy or scared. I didn't feel any of that. I felt very confident, just lacking in strength, you know.
Yes.
All right, go ahead.
This is so much fun, you guys. So it can be as easy or as challenging as you want it to be, right? So we're just stretching through the pecs, through the forearms. This, for us women, you guys, this really is going to give us some good upper body workout. Strengthens our grip, so hubby doesn't have to open that jar anymore, right? And so we're going to take it for you. He still has to open. He still has to open it. And we're going to hold you just like this. We're going to lift that leg. Just push those hands out like this. Take it back out and just push. Yeah, just like that. And we're going to hold you like this. So you can get a fabulous stretch. You can work the core. You can work upper body. We're going to kind of run through some stuff really quickly just to see. So we're going to be a little uneven because we're going to just play, right?
Okay.
So we're going to take you around the world. We're going to go slow. So you would lead with your hip and your shoulder. Great side body opener to an up dog. So you're not compromised by the hard cement floor, right? Whole side body opener. And the other thing we're doing, we have like 700 lymph nodes in the body, you guys. We're massaging them all. Deep, deep tissue massage. That's why we wear the sleeves, but great for anti-aging.
Not easy.
Yeah, you gotta use your six pack to bring it back around right there. And then we just have some fun. And we twirl it fast, right? We'll put this fun part. Yeah, you got to do this part.
She made me also go get these weird massages today, and they beat me up in this area. They did my pecs, and they're killing me. Okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna do one thing. You want to try this one with me?
No, I'm gonna let you demo.
Okay, so this one is we're gonna take you up, and we're lifting up, and then we're gonna flip you over.
Watch your
lip.
lip.
We're gonna hold here, and we're gonna place our feet back, and then we're gonna do like a little back bend upside down. Really great for opening the whole front body, and then a nice slow descent. Right? So here's another one that's so much fun, just flying through. So we're coming here, and we're just gonna flip you right through the silk, and then we're gonna take you to a little running. So you guys, you know, it looks scary, but I promise you it isn't. Like Tracey said, she wasn't scared at all.
I was not scared one time today, and she had us go like way up in those things, which was hard as heck. She's like, wiggle, wiggle, jump, wiggle, wiggle, jump, wiggle. I was like, oh my gosh, but I wasn't scared, but it's hard. Like I am so weak, my upper body is, and I'm pretty strong, but my upper body is really weak. It is. Look at her go. Look at her. Woo! Look at her go. Look at that. Woo! No, she is not a former gymnast. She is not a former circus performer.
Yeah.
She is just, you know, a fitness trainer and an aerobics instructor. And
From the 80s.
How long have you been doing this?
We've been here about 5 years, I guess.
What kind of socks do you both have on? These are like
hey,
yoga Pilates socks.
Yeah.
Hers are cute. Mine never. I have some at home and they're just purple. Hers have little beads on the front of them. They're pretty.
Oh, yeah.
So they have grippers on the bottom. These are called toe socks. So they have grippers on the bottom, so there's no slip, and these pretty little beads, and then a place for your toes to come out. Yeah, and you have to wear. You know, normally I don't wear t-shirts. I like tanks. You have to wear t-shirts because the silks rub, you know, here. Deanna asked a good question. She asked, is there a weight limit on
1,000 pounds. We're good. 1,000 pounds. The whole. This is rock climbing
That's
gear.
like a horse or something?
Yeah. Holds up 1,000 pounds. So.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so no excuses.
Yeah, no excuses at all.
I appreciate you letting me come
So
to do
welcome.
this.
Yeah,
I
you're so
probably
welcome.
will not do, you know, aerial silks in San Antonio, but I will do it when I'm here. So sorry we're so bright. The lighting is terrible. Okay, guys, will y'all take care?
Breathe, move your body, and eat clean, okay? Drink lots of water.
Amen.
Smile, and make a
Amen.
friend.
All right.
Bye,
Bye, guys. She's crazy.
Now we're going to place our feet on the silks and do, like a little back bend. It feels so amazing.
You're amazing.
And then come out of it.
You're amazing. And you're showing off.
You say yes,